At first sight, the page where this photo is posted doesn't provide any clue to answer your questions. It's a French forum, and if you would copy and paste the address of that page, the URL, which you can find here in the address bar, into a tool like Google Translate, you wouldn't find any hint regarding where the photo comes from and what is the context in which it was taken. This forum is about a controversial issue surrounding Muslim sex workers in Amsterdam. And apparently, the photo, which you can see if you scroll down a little bit here, the photo has nothing to do with the subject matter, except that it shows veiled women who we can safely assume are Muslim, obviously. And if you click on the profile of the person who posted this image, whose username is Buffalo, you can find it here, you wouldn't find any information about who this person is. So what can you do in such a case? The first thing to do is to look for hidden clues, information that may be there on the page, but that you cannot see because it's buried in the source code of the page. And in the case of an image, the simple thing to do to see this information is to right-click on it and then click on View Image Info. I'm using Firefox, but you will find a similar contextual menu item in any other browser. So in this case, after you click on View Image Info, the location of the image, which you can find right here, the location of the image, shows that it is hosted on another website. If you would copy and paste this address into your browser, you would find a single image photo, but with nothing more than what you already know. But a thing you can do is to go to the root of this page and of this site where the image is hosted. And as you could see here, the root, let me show you, View Image Info, is bourgoing.com. BOUR, that's so if you go to this page, um, you'll see that it's a personal website, but the image is not on the homepage. You don't know how big the site is, and you don't have the time to visit each and every single page to look for the photo. So that's not a very handy way of trying to find more information about this. There is a much more powerful way to search for images. And this way, if you go to a search engine like Google Images, instead of typing in keywords, you can click on the little icon here, which when you scroll over it says search by image, because you can search for images not only by keywords, but also by other images. And if you click there, you have two ways of searching for an image. Either you paste the URL, the address of the image, or you upload an image that you have saved locally on your hard disk. So we will simply paste the address of the image that we found a bit earlier, click on search by image. And this tool is really great. It's called also reverse image search, and it's very handy now that editing photos or reusing them with false information on social media and on the web is so common and used for propaganda or to spread rumors. So if you want to go at the source of an image to see where it was used elsewhere on the web or who took it, you can use this type of tool. And here, after you hit search by image, in this case, you find a dozen places, or 26 results, in fact, here, where this image was also used. Here, you can see similar images, but this is not what you're looking for. You're really looking for the same image. And here it says pages that include matching images, the same exact image that you saw already. And if you look quickly at their URLs, you'll see that they're either photo sharing sites or, but then the last result on this first page is precisely the site that we just searched, Yémen sous le voile des apparences. You click on that and you find that it's a blog article and it's all written in French. What you could do here to read it in English is you could select English in the drop-down menu because this website provides this tool. But if you would not find an automatic translation tool on the website where you find information, what you can do is use Google Translate and copy and paste. Let me show you. I copy the address of this blog article and then paste it in Google Translate. And then the translation seems to have not worked. It's the same link, but what you need to do in this case to see the whole page translated is to click on this link in English. And the same page will be displayed in English. And then you'll learn that those women are volunteers from the coastal region of Yemen called the Tihama region. It was taken in November 2005 at the end of a training session where they were learning about malaria prevention. And as you may have guessed by now, this photo was taken by myself. I'm Robert Bourgoin. I never used it in any publication other than this blog article. And I took it precisely to illustrate the importance of being very cautious and critical about the images that you find on the web. Because in this case, and if you read the whole thing, you'll learn that it intentionally distorts reality and is not representative of the situation that it is supposed to illustrate. And you will understand if you read the whole thing. So here's a way to quickly find information about the author and the context in which photos or images were taken. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave a comment or any follow-up question in the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching.